Hello, hello, Wumble's Hive. Welcome back. Another little unboxing. If you remember back to Christmas, we had the Archie's Paints 12 Days of Christmas, 12 Drinks of Christmas. And they were so gorgeous. I've actually followed that shop on Etsy now. And just to give you a little information about the shop, in their about section it says, "Hi, we are a small handmade metallic watercolour business. We carefully select the best pigments and create each colour in-house in tiny batches to ensure each pan is made with love." It's named after her dog, and I did notice on Instagram, where I also follow them, on the 8th of April they posted an update that poor doggy Archie was not very well, and that during cuddling duties the owner had been looking through their paint stores and found that they'd got a little bit of an overflow on one of the products, so they put on a 40% discount for a very short time. And I took advantage. On that specific listing, it does say that you can request a theme, but not specific colours. So I did do that. So maybe we have something along those lines. The theme that I requested was Seaside Sunset. So here is the box. Let's get into it and find out what colours we've got in this mystery paint set of shimmer and metallic watercolour. Right, oops, and another one. So well packaged with Archies. Always arrives safe, and that's what you want, isn't it, when you buy something from Etsy. Bear with me, I put the knife down so that we don't send ourselves to hospital. Oh, it's really, really well packaged. A little bit more knife action required. There we go. Right, we're in, guys. Are you ready? Ah, bless. She's remembered that we've been before. That's so sweet. So Kaylee is the owner, and as you can see, adds a little bit of personal information to their calling card. The basic of it says, "Thank you so much. Your order truly means the world to us. We hope you love these paints just as much as we do. We would love to see what you've made with these paints. Don't forget to tag us in your new masterpiece." If you want to find them online, feel free to pause and jot these down, but I will also put the majority down below in the comments box. So that's inside the box. This is the how to use information. A little paint care card so that you know what you're doing with your paints. And we've got some little freebies. So we've got ice, which is a little dot card there. We've got stuffing balls. We've got Pegasus, which is a lovely pink. And we've got soot, which is not as awful as it sounds. It's like a deep metallic hematite colour. And this will be our purchase. So let's just open it in there. By the way, there's the cutest print of Archie on the bottom of the box lid as well. I hope he's got better now. I've not seen an update. Let's move the candle, because we know how I like to set things on fire occasionally. Right, so we've got the beautiful padding, keep everything safe. We've got a little Chupa Chups mini lolly that I'll be chowing down on later. And then the little bag with our surprise pans in. So we'll pop this off to one side. Pop it there. Hopefully it doesn't fall down and scare us all. So again, you've got the little sticker with Archie on there. Send him all your love because we want him to get better, poor little puppy. Right, here we go. Let's find out what's happening. Oh, we can just pour them out because they're each separately wrapped. Oh, it's like proper Christmas. Exciting. Right. So we've got Jingle Juice, Ice Skating, Collar, Snowy Beach, Lead, and Milk and Cookies. So I'm not sure what colour these are going to be, so let's find out. Let's start with Jingle Juice. Ooh, how do we get in? Oh, they're so cutely packaged. Kaylee must be the most patient person on the planet. Oh, that's a lot of peas. Right, here we go. Are you ready? Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's like a peachy colour with gold in it. That one's nice. I also purchased the with magnets option because I do like to be able to use a metal tin. So that's the first one. That's Jingle Juice. This is Milk and Cookies. So let's jump in here and find out what we've got. I said jump in. I'm not very good at this, am I? It's a bit finicky, but you know, I like them. I like these little presents. Right, are you ready? Oh, now then. That is gorgeous. That's like an orangey gold. That is so pretty. So that one is Milk and Cookies. So let's move on to Ice Skating. The colours at Christmas were so beautiful. I know these are going to be great. And we're in, probably. Are we in? Yes, we are. Right, so here we go for Ice Skating. Oh, wow. Oh, gorgeous turquoise colour. Check that out, guys. And look how full these pans are. It's over the top. Fantastic. Ooh, I'm liking these colours so far. So let's try Lead. Now this sounds like it might be a dark grey colour. But you never know. I sometimes guess these things wrong at Christmas, so who knows? Let's wait and see till we get in. Right, so here we go with Lead. Oh, that is not a dark colour at all. Look how gorgeous that is. Oh my god, can you even see the sparkles? Oh, so pretty. That is like... it's like a red with a deep pink undertone with gold flecks of mica in it. That is beautiful. Ooh, nice. Let's go with Color 2.0. It's a very specific colour. I imagine, based on it being Archie's paints, that there's been more than one colour and that's why it's called 2.0. Maybe it's the same colour perfected. Who knows? I will have to look later on. Right, here we go. Color 2.0. Dum, dum, dum. Oh, look at that. That's like an ultramarine with flecks. Oh, so pretty. I don't think you can see the flecks in it. They're so shiny though. And again, over the brim. Check that out, guys. Each one's got the little magnet on the bottom. Oh, do you know what? When I read the colours, I was like, I don't know if this is going to be very beach-like, but it is. Look at those colours so far. Right, so let's get into this last one. And this is Snowy Beach. Here we go. Oh, that is exactly what it says it is. That is like a really light yellow with silver by the looks of it. Oh, so nice. A frosty beach. How exciting. So these are our colours, and me being me, let's just have a little shuffle. Boop, boopity boopity boop, 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 boop. Because we know that I like to be at least a little bit rainbow. There we go. Alright guys. So those are the colours that we've got, and I think that is an excellent arrangement of colours. What do you guys think? I think that's great. I can't wait to swatch these guys out. So, I'm going to turn this one over so that you can pause it at the very end to get those details as well. And obviously the how to use and how to store. I will be cracking out a little metal tin in a little while to put these guys in. But for now, let me know what you think of these colours in the dry. And keep an eye out for the next video where we'll swatch them out. Thank you for hanging out, everybody. I've had a great time. I hope you have. Let me know down below. Until next time, find something that makes you smile. And as always, be happy.